Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's run the Python script to get the PDF sent. See, this is the PDF. Hey, how is it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a document to a Telegram user from your application. But first, you will need to learn about how you can send a simple text message by going through this Getting Started guide. In this guide, you scroll down and you will find this video. Watch the tutorial video. When you're done, come back here. Welcome back. Now that you know how to send a simple text message, let's get to the real deal. Now, let's click on Python 3 to get the sample code. On this page, you will find a link to download the sample code. When the download is complete, you expand the file. Then navigate to this directory. Open up this file. There are a few lines we need to customize here, including the instance ID, client ID, and client secret. Of course, most importantly, we have to provide the recipient number. In this example, we are going to send this PDF file to ourselves. Let's do the customization now. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's run the Python script to get the PDF sent. See, this is the PDF. It's a map. What are you waiting for? Sign up, have fun, and try it out for yourself. I'll see you next time.